I'm Lawrence. Today I'm going to walk you through how to set up InvisOutlet with Home Assistant. So here I have a Home Assistant that's installed on Raspberry Pi. Here is our InvisOutlet webpage. Okay, so first thing first, we would need to check if everything is if all the add-ons are installed on Home Assistant. So let's go into settings, go into add-ons. You would need to have your Mosquitto broker installed. Now mine is running and the default port is 1883. It's over here. Okay. Now let's go into device and services. Make sure you have MQTT installed as well. Okay, now let's go back to the dashboard, and then now let's go into the InvisOutlet webpage. If you have our InvisHome app for iOS, you can do this on your app as well. It's the same. But now for demo purposes, I'm going to use the webpage. So now let's go into settings, click MQTT. We would need to toggle this. Here I have entered mine already. It's going to be the same address as what you have as your Home Assistant. You can enter IP address or hostname, your preference, and then the port 1883, and then make sure you add MQTT in the front. Click Save. My username is the same as my Home Assistant username and password. So go ahead and do that. Unless you change it, you specify it in Mosquitto. Now let's leave other things default. Go back, click Apply. And then you should see your InvisOutlet pop up on the screen. You might be able to see enable things like this. Click Apply again, and then it will refresh, and then everything now works. Okay, so this is how you set up InvisOutlet with Home Assistant. One next thing is, if you did turn on adapted nightlight, click Apply. This will get turned off because we don't want you to control nightlight at the same time when adaptive nightlight is doing its job. Okay, so just keep in mind of that. If you want to check your topics, go into MQTT, click Topics. You can see all the topics over here that you can, play with it if necessary. But at this point, we have used Home Assistant Discovery Packet, so everything has been set up for you automatically. Everything should be all set. So that's about it. Thanks, everyone.